Hello and welcome to a video with me. I am Niamh McGarrell. I am the English coach at Inglese Vincente, and my goal is to show you the real English, okay? The English that we use on a daily basis, every week, every month, the general real English. Not the English that you find in a textbook. No, the real English. So for example, when you want to buy a coffee in a cafe shop, you can speak in English. Or for example, when you get in a taxi, you can speak in English. You arrive at a hotel and you can communicate in English. This is the English, the real English that you desire. And I am the only one that can show you this. So let's get started. Today, we are going to look at a very big error. Very big error. This is part one. There will be two parts to this sound. Part one. We're looking at this sound here, the TH sound. So first, let's look at words that start with TH, that begin with TH. So we have 4 examples. Number 1, think. Think. Thursday. Thursday. Thanks. Thanks. Thing. Thing. Okay? Think, Thursday. Thanks, thing. 4 examples beginning with TH. Now, words that end with TH. You might think, okay, but is it a different sound when it ends with TH? Well, let's look at 4 examples. Number 1, bath. Bath. Math. Math. Earth. Earth. Fourth. Fourth. Okay, so here you can see with this one, this is part 1. There will be another video with part 2. But part 1 with this sound is a th. My tongue comes out apart from my teeth. Bath. Bath. Th, th sound. You try. Have a try. Bath. Math. Earth. Fourth. Okay, so this is one way that we pronounce that th sound. Bath, math, earth, fourth. You see my tongue? Th. Okay. Now this, I am completely understanding that I know this is a difficult sound to produce. That is why you need my help, okay? Because pronunciation in English sometimes can be a challenge. But with me, you don't need to worry because I will give you exact techniques and tricks that you can use so you can have a really great level of pronunciation. That these things here, they won't be a problem for you anymore. And how do you do that? Well, click the link in the description, okay? Very easy. Click the link in the description to get access to our complete step step-by-step master pack. In our master pack, we have an entire module on pronunciation, and it is perfect for you because you have me as a mother tongue with a very clear pronunciation, British English, and Mattia as Italian mother tongue, speaking English too, okay? The combination means we know exactly the mistakes you are making, the pronunciation errors. So, how you can do this, click the link in the description and get access today to our complete step-by-step master pack. Okay? And I will see you tomorrow in our next video. Bye-bye.